How to culture pluripotent stem cells in suspension using the Gibco CTS StemScale PSC suspension medium. Step 3. Passaging. Passaging of PSC spheroids grown in CTS StemScale PSC suspension medium is recommended when they approach 400 micrometers in size to avoid the formation of a necrotic core and loss of pluripotency. When using CTS StemScale medium, this generally occurs after 5 to 6 days of growth. To passage suspension cultures grown in StemScale PSC medium, you will need complete CTS StemScale medium, Gibco CTS triple select enzyme, Y27632 compound, DNase 1. Most cell lines will grow to an average of 300 to 400 micrometers in diameter within 5 to 6 days of initiating cultures. Transfer the spheroids from each culture vessel to a 15 or 50 milliliter conical tube using a 1000 microliter pipette or a serological pipette. Rinse each vessel with complete CTS StemScale medium, then transfer the medium to the tube containing the spheroid suspension. Wait about 5 minutes for the spheroid suspension to settle at the bottom of the conical tube. It is recommended to dilute CTS triple select enzyme to a lower concentration before the spheroid dissociation. Use 0.25x CTS triple select enzyme diluted in Gibco CTS DPPS, no calcium, no magnesium, for small-scale orbital shaker cultures. Aspirate the supernatant from the settled spheroid suspension, then add the appropriate volume of diluted CTS triple select enzyme. Dissociate the spheroids in a 37°C water bath for the specified time, according to your culture vessel format. Dissociation of a 6-well culture takes about 5 minutes. At every 2 to 3 minute interval, gently mix or flick each tube to assess the level of dissociation. Spheroids should easily break apart, and the solution should become cloudy as the incubation time approaches completion. Once the dissociation is complete, gently triturate the diluted CTS triple select enzyme suspension 5 to 7 times with a 1000 microliter pipette to ensure any remaining spheroids break apart into single cells or small clusters. Then, immediately add 3 milliliters of complete CTS StemScale medium per 1 milliliter of diluted CTS triple select enzyme to dilute the enzyme and halt further dissociation. Gently invert the tube several times to mix, then centrifuge at 200 G for 4 minutes. Once the centrifugation is complete, aspirate the supernatant, then resuspend each cell pellet in complete CTS StemScale medium containing 10 micromolar Y27632 and 0.1 units per milliliter DNase 1. Count and seed the appropriate volumes of cell suspension required to seed the cells at a density of 2 × 10 to the 5th viable cells per milliliter into pre-prepared culture vessels containing complete CTS StemScale medium with 10 micromolar Y27632 and 0.1 units per milliliter DNase 1. Carefully place the vessel on an orbital shaker, set to rotate continuously at 70 RPM in a 37°C 5% CO2 incubator. Additional resources supporting Gibco CTS StemScale PSC suspension medium are available at thermofisher.com/CTS StemScale.